Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today in this video we are going to look at one more important aspect of a WooCommerce store, or rather any e-commerce store, which is coupons. WooCommerce allows us to create coupons through the backend system so that customers are able to enjoy discounts in different ways. And today we are going to handle three different use cases of coupons for discounting in our website. The first one is a very common offer which you will see on many websites, which is the first time discount, where the customer will apply the coupon code for his first purchase and he will get certain kinds of discounts. The second one is something like a category wide discount which can happen on your store. For example, on our music store, we will give a category wide discount of 10% on all in-ear products. And then the last one is a unique case where, let's just say, through some feedback form or through some support tickets, you found out that a particular customer is not very happy with the way things went for his order. Maybe the delivery got delayed, or maybe what was shipped took time. Was in a damaged state or something like that. And after having all those discussions, you want to give him some discount so that you are able to compensate for the trouble he went through. And that is the case which we will handle. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that we are going to do is go into WooCommerce and click on coupons. This is where we will have all our coupons. Now I'll just delete all of them because I was trying a few things, and I will start from scratch so that you know exactly what needs to be done. So you can see now that the coupons are not present in my store. I'll create my first coupon. This is the coupon code where I can do something like first 15. If you want, you can add a description. Okay. Now there are certain parameters which we need to understand in any coupon, rather while creating a coupon. So the first one is discount type. Is it a fixed cart discount, which basically means it will give a discount on the entire cart amount? Is it percentage discount, or is it a fixed product discount? Now, what we want to do is allow a percentage discount on the first purchase. So we will select this. Coupon amount is the amount of discount that the customer will get when this coupon is applied. So let's just say we want to give a 10% discount on the first purchase, right? Oh, sorry, we have a 15. So how can we give a 10? All right. Allow free shipping if that is applicable. We don't deal with that, so we will skip that for now. This is basically if your coupon is going to expire at some point. So let's just say you have a special kind of a discounting going on. Let's just say with no reason discount. Okay. And you want to run it for, let's say, a week. Okay, you want that your customers purchase within that week, and that is when they will get that coupon discount. So you can set that. I'm not going to do that because this particular one can continue to run on the store. After the general tab, we have some usage restriction. For example, do I need to put a minimum spend? Let's just say I don't want to give a 10% discount or a 15% discount on smaller products. So if my minimum spend is not more than 500, then the discount doesn't apply. I may also choose a higher limit, which is, let's just say I don't want to give a discount if the overall cart value is more than 10,000 rupees. So I can do that. Individual use only. Check this box if the coupon code cannot be used in conjunction with other coupons. Now this is important how you are doing the strategy on your store. If you have multiple coupons and you are saying that a customer cannot have a 15% discount based on the first purchase, and on top of it he can, you know, if he's also adding a category wide coupon code, right? So if you want to stop those kind of things, you can do that. I'll just say that if someone is using the first time coupon, it is an individual use only, it cannot be used with some other coupon codes. If you want to, put it on some products, you're free to do so. You can search for a specific product and you will get that. If you want to exclude something from the list, or for the coupon, right, for example, you don't want certain kinds of products to be going through a discount, you can add that. You can do that at a category level as well, which makes more sense because most of the time you will not do product based if you have a bigger catalog of products. This one is if you want to allow certain emails, either it is a fixed email or it is a wildcard. For example, let's just say there is a sale going on that all Focalworks employees will get a discount of 20% if their email address is @focalworks.com or focalworks.in, right? So that's kind of something which you can try out. If you see the description, it just say that you can list down individual emails or you can even do a wildcard. But this one doesn't fit the requirement, so we will skip that. And then usage limit. Usage limit per coupon. If this coupon has a limited number, you can add that. But ours is a little different. It is limit usage to X items. No. Limit per user. And we are saying yes. One user can use it only once. So let's just add that. Our discount coupon is ready. And let's try and shop. So we'll go over here and I'll try to purchase this. Go to view cart. I already had something in my cart, so I'll just remove it. And if I do a first 15, you will see 449 rupees is deducted because of the coupon. Okay, so let's proceed to checkout. Do a cash on delivery and just skip everything. Okay, it does ask me all the details, so I'll fill up. Okay, so I have filled in the address, and now if I proceed to placing the order, it does send me an email as well as I can see details over here, and my coupon was obviously added. Let's see what does the site say about the coupon. So you can see it says that there is a usage of 1 of unlimited, so stuff like how many coupons are left for this particular things and stuff like that. Okay, now this is working. So if I try to go to shop and let's just say I'm buying it again, I'm rather buying something again, so will the coupon code work? It doesn't. It says coupon usage limit has been reached. And that is exactly what we wanted to do. We wanted it to be limited to only one time use per user, right? So that is working. Fair enough. Now, let's remove the product from the cart and create a cart or a category wide discount coupon code. Let's call it in year 5, just like that. So the discount is a percentage discount of 5%. Let's just say it will run for maybe the next Sunday. Okay, and usage limit, minimum spend, I don't want to, or maybe I'll show you that higher products will not apply. But how do we do that? We are only going to allow it for headphones. Okay, and we just publish. Look at the coupon list. So we see that there is an in-ear coupon, which is a percentage discount, and It's a 5% discount and it hasn't been used till now. Okay. So the first thing that we are going to try and do is go to shop and purchase this cable and add that coupon. And it says, sorry, this coupon is not applicable to selected products, which is correct because we have selected headphones. Alright, return to shop and let's try to purchase a headphone. So I'll add it to cart, go to view cart and again apply that coupon code. And it again says that the maximum spend for this coupon is 5,000 rupees, which means this is working perfectly fine. Now, the only question is, do I really have a product on my shop which is less than 5,000 rupees? And I don't think I have. Okay, I have it, but is it inside the headphones? Let's filter it out. Yes, I do. So this is the product which I can purchase. Let's go over here, apply the code. And yes, I'm getting a 186 rupees discount because this is less than 5,000 rupees, right? So this is working and yeah, everything is set. I can just do proceed to checkout and everything will be fine. All right. And now the last one is basically a very straightforward one. I will not create that, but I will make you understand what happens is if you want to give it to a specific person, what you have to do is just put in the email address. For example, who is this current user? My account and account details. This is through my reach me account and that's the Gmail one. But if I, yeah, so okay, maybe I'll just show it to you. Test PR. Okay. And what I will do over here is, yeah, I'll just publish because allowed emails is this. Okay. So we have our test PR coupon code. And what now I will do is go to the store and try to purchase something. And at that point, ideally, it should stop me from using it. So let's see. I'll apply the code. And it does add the discount, but hold on. This is something which is a known thing with WooCommerce. So bear with me. Let's proceed to checkout. Again, I'm doing a cash on delivery and all the details are over here. And this is my email address, right? Now let's me place order. And this time, can you see? It says, sorry, it seems the coupon test PR is not yours. It has been removed from your order. Now, this validation is done. So you have to be aware that the customer experience is a little different, but it does check whether the email is supposed to use that coupon code or not. And that is the third scenario which I wanted to cover, which is if you want to send a coupon code to a specific customer. So yeah, that's about it, guys. That's what I wanted to cover in this video. We looked at a first time coupon code which a customer can enjoy on his first order. And we saw a category wide coupon code which gives you a specific amount of discount. And also we looked at the third, which is if you want to give a specific customer a discount code which he can redeem. So that's about it. If you have any questions, then feel free to get in touch with me on the Discord link given below. And yeah, if you have been so far in this video, I will request you to definitely subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share it with the community. Thanks for watching. Bye.